Go.
Okay, look like I caught 2 fish. Come on, go climb inside and then go open up the thing.
Open.
Okay, I get 2 fish in the box.
I can't go.
Oh, what's all that noise inside there?
Big fish.
Big fish? Let's see how big the fish. Holy smokes, big fish.
It's scary. Wait, we can leave it open and then my mom just go asleep.
Yeah, you can leave them
Here you
open.
go. Okay, go close it.
Oh, here you go close them.
Wait, no, Zion. Uncle.
Yeah.
Okay, close it.
Okay. Where's she going? Oh, there she is right there.
Where is she?
Right there.
So.
Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm working on, well, I got a whole bunch of cowboys over here. Y'all came over from Maui for some rodeos. So I get them over here helping me. But I'm starting to do this front area right here. And after that, pretty much done.
A week.
About a couple of weeks. Then you catch out last week some fish.
And then I'm gonna drive when we go in the water.
Oh yeah, you're gonna drive, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
Stand right here.
That way I can relax.
And then
Zaya gonna pull up the ankle.
no. I'm gonna pull back.
He's over here. He's over here driving the boat. Oh yeah. I'm doing video.
Good. Bye.
Bye.
Guys, have fun.
Bye you
He
guys.
needs slippers. Cannot be the
Now he get little outfit.
Walmart.
Yeah, that's okay.
Long says slippers.
There you are. Okay. No bang my boat. Yeah, that was good. They had like about, how many rodeos? Or
Two or three, yeah.
Two or three,
Waimea, then Honoka, then one more in Honoka.
Yeah.
Now
And then
they
they
said-
get one more rodeo next week, huh? Or
Yeah,
something like
starts today.
that. Oh, starts today?
Yeah, they have to go back today.
Oh.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Okay, so I got it all cleaned, ready for painting. So I'm gonna start painting. Put on some primer coat and then the real coat. Oh, I got this all painted. So pretty soon, probably about, look at the toilet. Holy smokes, that bugger is nice and clean. Oh. It's got the lemony fresh smell. As fresh as lemons. It's a lemon toilet. Okay.